Consider this code. Can you predict the final value of R2? The instruction compare checks 3 minus 5 since R1 is 3 and because 3 is smaller than 5, subtraction needs a borrow. So ARM clears the carry flag. Now carry equal to 0. So when subtract with carry, that is SPC, is performed, what actually happens is that becomes 3 minus 0 minus 1, which is nothing but 2. So the final answer is R2 equal to 2. When carry is 0, subtract with carry, that is SPC, subtracts an extra 1. Now let me run the code and show you the final output. As you can see, R2 is 2. That's all about this code.